So here, breathing, if done properly, only for 5 minutes, it helps tremendously to bring down your cortisol.
Just that short an interval?
Just 5 minutes. I would not even say in the morning. I would say night mein karo.
And what is the format you would recommend? I mean, what is the exercise or what is the practice that you would recommend?
I would recommend pranayam, which is the simplest, you know. So that is the simplest, and Kapalbhati also is very, very, very helpful. That's what I also practice in our yoga. We have a yoga expert in the program. So she basically makes the patients do yoga every day.